Hi, today I'm going to show you how to change mouse speed in Windows 11. If you want to do it, first you need to click right mouse button on icon with a start, and after that you need to go to settings. Then from the left panel we need to open Bluetooth and devices options, and now we need to scroll down and find here something like mouse, buttons, mouse pointer speed, and scrolling settings. So I click on this arrow to open these settings, and here the second option is mouse pointer speed. I have here set this speed, but of course if you want to decrease the mouse pointer speed, you need to press and hold left mouse button on this dot, and you need to change position of this dot to the left side. For example, I select here 7. So in this way you can decrease pointer speed, but if you want to increase it, you need to press and hold this dot, and for example move it to the right side, for example to 15th, and then the pointer speed will be increased, yeah? So in this way you can change these settings in Windows 11. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solves your problem.